Setting up chat box in Streamlabs is very important in communicating with your audience. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is open your Streamlabs, and once you are here, I want you to click sources, and after that we are going to go to widgets. After clicking widgets, you will be able to see here chat box. So let's try to add source, and I am going to add source. Okay, and then there are different themes to choose from. We have clean box, Twitch old school, and chunky. This is how box looks like. If I am going to click clean, it will change. So in my case, I am going to be using box. I think this is a lot better because I can easily see who is sending the message and what the messages are now. Another thing that is very important is this: one always show messages. Some people prefer it to be always there particularly. If you are basically doing like some sort of live stream conversation wise, something like that. However, if you are gaming, this is definitely not ideal because it will clutter in your screen. So depending on what you are doing, you can either toggle it off or on. So if I were to be playing games, then I'm going to turn this off. And after that, you can scroll down here and see other options. Now for the color, you can experiment on text color, font size and etc. So once everything is done, I want you to click close, and your chat box should be placed wherever you think is not going to be bothering you with regards to what you are doing. So yeah, say for example, when you are playing games, most likely the center is going to be focused. That's how you are going to set up chat box in Streamlabs desktop. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.